Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to check Windows 11 new version is installed on your PC or not. So Windows 11 is rolling out new update of 22H2. So if you want to check this, so press Windows key button and here you need to search WinWare like this and hit enter, and here you can get the details of your Windows. As you can see, Windows version I have installed 21H2. so this means guys the new version of Windows is not installed in my PC. To update the new version guys, so you can easily update it from the Windows settings. Hold Windows key button and press I. So this is the shortcut key to open these settings. In these settings, go to Windows update from the left panel, and if the update is available guys, from here you can easily able to update the new version of your Windows 11. That's it. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.